I will be explaining to you about our program. Our program is Bachelor Applied Engineering Electrical and Electronics program. So this is a combination of the electrical trade, advanced diploma, electrical and electronic studies, and also the Bachelor Engineering degree in electrical and electronics degree. So this is a combination of the electrician and also the professional and also professional engineer. So before we are going through, the main site is the www.iqitechnicalcollege.com. So this is the main website. On the main website, you can see there's an offer courses. So by clicking the offer courses, we can get to all our program. So Bachelor Applied Engineering degree is an engineering program. So we have to click under the engineering faculty. So by clicking the engineering faculty, then you go down and at the bottom, you can see there's a title. So this title is International Bachelor Applied Engineering Electrical Electronics Austrian Contest. So this is a curriculum. So this curriculum, I will click you so that you can see there's the details of program structure. So program structure you can see on this page. So this program is combination of the electrical trade as well as the advanced diploma electrical engineering and also the Bachelor Applied Engineering degree. So this is we are offering this program by the collaboration with the Singapore Institute of Engineering and Technologies. This entire program can be done by online, and also it includes simulators online practical and also the practical performance in the industry. So this is designed for the electrician, electrical trade person, and electrical apprentice to complete the advanced study, electrical electronic trade study. Then they can proceed to the diploma, advanced diploma, bachelor degree, which is an international degree recognized by the professional association in Austria and Singapore. So this is the ways we are running the program. So this program includes the year one. Year one is a certificate 4 or the advanced certificate in the electrical electronic trade study. Year 2 is a diploma or the advanced diploma in electrical electronics engineering. Year 3 and 4 are the Bachelor Applied Engineering Electrical Electronics. So those are the combination of our program structure. Why we do this program? Today, most of the electricians who got the electrician license, they will have the very few opportunity to get the higher qualification. Before that, we offer the advanced diploma electrical engineering. So before the semester scale, you pay the $750, you can get to the course, and then you can complete the course. Then after you got the advanced diploma, you can proceed to the university study. But today what happened is to complete the advanced diploma courses, the fee is over the $20,000, sometimes $24,000, sometimes $30,000. So this is too difficult for the electrician to proceed to the advanced diploma courses. Furthermore, the student cannot afford the course, so the enrollment number is down. When the enrollment number is down, they shut down the courses, they shut down the engineering faculty, they redundant the engineering teacher. So this is why that in the state New South Wales, many of the engineering courses have been finished. So today's are only the Newcastle is offering some part-time or the training in for the advanced diploma electrical engineering. So that you cannot proceed to the advanced diploma, so that will be very difficult to you to proceed to the university study. So this is the ways electrical treatment cannot become an engineer easily. So this is the very big obstacle. So to overcome this obstacle, we plan to do this program. So that program is combination of the electrical trade as well as the advanced diploma and the professional engineering degree. So I, with the background of the electrician and the professional engineer, I designed this course. So that the year 1 is a certificate for electrical electronic trade study. Year 2 is a diploma, advanced diploma, electrical electronic engineering. Year 3 and 4 are the Bachelor Applied Engineering. So the year 1 units are here: electrical safety, electrical workshop, electrical circuit, electrical drawing control development, electrical equipment, electrical wiring, electrical machine, electrical operation, electrical competency, and sustainability. So those are also the electrical capsule. So those units are fixed unit. We have under those you subject title, we put the appropriate engineering competency unit. So this is where UEE's 20 training package. So certificate 3 in the electrotechnology electrician course. So under the EEA 101 electrical safety, there are those units are competency unit we put. Similarly, under the electrical workshop, those units are we put. And also the electrical circuit, those competency units are we put. So that those appropriate competency unit from the UE 30802s are inserted under the our subject title. So that will be those are competency units. So this means that you completing our course, you can also say get this appropriate study and background study related to the UE 30820 certificate in electrotechnology electrician. So that our course can also provide you as a tutorial assistant for the your formal study, your enrollment in the UE 30820 sub 3 electrotechnology electrician or UE 30811 sub 3 electrotechnology electrician. So this is the advantages that you can get it. Although we cannot we do not give you the sub 3 electrotechnology electrician, our courses are very in line with the sub 3 course. So that by attending our course together in the same time you doing the sub 3 course at the day or the RTO, our course will give you the appropriate assistance for your study. So this is the way we are designing for the year 1. So the year 1 study is here. Then we have to I will show you the details course material. The today course material and detailed study material, I will give you the another site. So this is we try the another site. So do you know computer.com/. So from here we can get to this site. So that this site is here, the website. The link is www.iqitechnicalcollege.com/PAPPENG electrical electronics resources1.htm. So this is the main site. So this main site you can also see the Certificate 3 electrotechnology. So we are in line with the Certificate 3 electrotechnology, but we offer the certificate in electrical engineering trade. So then we enter to this electrical trade 2022.htm. So that this is for the unit. So those units are you see the EA 101, 102, 103, 104. So those are the UE 30811 unit, and here is a UE 30820 unit. So this is where we give you the those topics. Okay, so that one we study for the one study. For example, we click the UE E101A. So that will be the you can see the here textbook. So this is the textbooks we provide the textbook. So you can do this study the textbook, and also the exercises you can also study, and also I provide you with the appropriate lesson material, also the online teaching, also the appropriate practice materials. Those things that we will provide so that we well prepared for that unit. So this is for the units are also the textbooks are workbook from the State New South Wales. We are using the same resources for your courses. So this one is opening. So now that we open the textbook because of that we did some time delay for the downloading. You can also download and then you can save into your USB or the hard drive and then you can get the lesson. The similar textbooks I also uploaded to the site, so you can also download those materials. So this is for the apply occupational health safety. So this textbook. So you can also study this textbook, and also there are also the exercises, also the video. So you can also I will also provide the video for your online study. Those videos are from the competency textbook and competency unit. We select the appropriate video for your learning. So you can read the textbook. You can go through those video one by one, and then you can do the exercise, and you can submit the assignment. By this way, you can do the study. So this is for the how to do the study.
This mini-lecture on workplace health and safety legislation in Australia is one of a group of lectures provided for the London South Bank University's Occupational Health Nursing degree programme. Hello, I'm Jo.
So this is the ways of occupational health safety. Those occupational health safety topics, we provide with the appropriate lesson, also the example lesson, also the video. Then you can study the video. So you read the video and then you can read the textbook. So the similar these are we design for the other thing E1 2 as well. No, this is all the video lesson, everything we provided. So here is a chemical handling, manual handling, working at the height, and loading also we provide. So E1 2 as well. So this is the holding and cutting, measuring, marking, drilling. So those are practical video. So you have to every unit we provide the video as well as a textbook and a workbook. So you can go through and you can get this. You can learn. So this is the way. This is the ways that we provide the tutoring assistance for the UEE 30820 or UEE 3082811. And the final capstone unit here, capstone units are linked. Capstone lesson. So the capstone lesson are here. Capstone is the testing and verification. So we provide the testing and verification flowchart. So that you have to see the visual inspection, continuity testing, continuity of the polarity testing, and also the insulation resistance testing. Those are the testing and verification. So how to do the testing and verification? To do the capstone practical. And then meantime, this is a chart for the manual inspection, visual inspection. Here is a notes, so notes related to the continuity testing, also the art testing, selecting the cable side, also continuity testing, polarity testing, intermediate circuit testing, and together with those testing, we also provide the appropriate practical video. So here you see the video. I give you the example. Continuity of the protective bonding
In this
conductor.
video presentation, we're going to look at measuring the resistance of the protective bonding conductor. This is the conductor we're simulating a domestic dwelling that's usually sized 10mm squared and goes off to make connections to the metallic water pipe and the metallic gas pipe, but also can go off to the metallic oil pipe, metallic structure of a building. It's got a metal frame building. We see it's here, it's terminated within an MET.
So this is a video demonstration. So if you are doing the Castro, those are lesson notes will be assistant for you. In the meantime, you can also view those video so that you can understand the Castro video practical. So this is the way that we also arrange all the testing, all the practical, and also all the theory relevant to the Castro testing. I provide those notes. So you have to read through those notes, then you can prepare for the Castro. In the meantime, we also have to this is for the several notes and Castro testing, Castro theory, and also the verification testing. Those notes you can read from my notes. In the meantime, we also provide the appropriate reference materials. This means that when you are doing the Castro, you also have to know the appropriate others unit. For example, to do the Castro testing, you have to complete all the unit before you proceed to the Castro. In this case, those units include the protection or electrical wiring, and also the installation or the low voltage wiring and associated accessory appliance. So those units you also have to study. So I also provide the control protection. So by clicking the link, you can also read the control protection unit. So the control protection unit, UENEG063A. So this is the workbook, all the answer I provided. In the meantime, you also see the video. By this way, you can get the knowledge. In the meantime, when you are doing the Castro, you also have to be proficient in the cable selection. So this is G107 cable selection. Those notes you can read from my side. So the cable selection method. So this is for the workbook answer. Also the cable selection video. So those things that we provided. So this is the way we provide the Castro preparation. In the meantime, you also have to do the Castro theory test. So this is several Castro theory question, tutorial question, theory test we provided. We also provide the workbook. Here is test and verification workbook. So we click the test and verification workbook. The workbook is also the 6077AH and NUE408. This is for the testing and verification. Testing and the verification of the electrical system and electrical circuit before you are doing the energizing. So those test books are also, it include the full theory notes related to the insulation testing, polarity testing, intermediate testing, and usage of the equipment and tools and materials, and also testing and compliance checking. Those things you can learn in the test book. The test book is also provided as part of the Castro lesson. So that's all the link that can access to the test book, all the reference material, all the reference theory, additional notes, and applicable data are included in my site. So my site, for this year 1 electrical trade study, I provide the full lesson materials for the electrician courses. So this is that course is our year 1 is the met with the Subject 3 Electrotechnology Electrician, either UE 30811 or UE 30820. So by this way, that the students who are doing our course, they complete the electricians study and also the electrician competency in our year 1. So that although we do not issue the sub 3 electrotechnology electrician, we provide the sufficient knowledge to be work as a electrician. So that by attending the hours year 1, in the meantime, user attend the sub 3 electrotechnology at the either at the TAFE or the other RTO. Our study material will be provide you with the background for you to successfully complete the sub 3 electrotechnology course at the TAFE or others RTO. In the meantime, you can also receive our year 1 completion as well as our certificate in the electrical trade study. So this is the way we provide our training. So this year 1 is we met with the electricians training. So this is for this test will be eye opening. So this will be the test and verification. So testing and verification, this is electrical test book, so that you can see the regulatory requirement and test equipment procedure, continuity and resistance, insulation resistance testing, polarity testing, correct current connection, transformer testing, and also the current connection, short circuit testing, correct connection, interconnection testing, and switch box marking, and optional test documentation. Those are also included in the this test book. So those are also the topics of the verification and testing. So the reference notes and those test books are we provided. This is for the year 1. In the meantime, we do this year 2. So after you pass the year 1, you can proceed to the advanced diploma and electrical engineering. So this is the year 1 is we met with the advanced diploma courses and UEE 11 or the UE 20 training package. So before you proceed to the year 1, this is for the electrical trade. And in the meantime, we provide the electronics, so that we amplifier, power supply, digital electronics. So those unit, those test book, and those lessons are provided. So after you finish the electrical trade, you can continue to the those electronic unit, and then you will complete the advanced certificate in electrical and electronic study. So those are the topics we provide for the electrical electronics trade subjects. And after you finish the year 1, you can continue to study the year 2. So year 2 will be the advanced diploma in the electrical engineering studies. So this is the year 2 we proceed the year 2. So year 2 is this is we go to this here advanced diploma in electrical and electronic engineering. So our learning website electrical diploma 2022.htm. So this is where electrical diploma 2022. So those are the UE 20 and UE 11 training package advanced diploma unit. We are mapping. We mapping, and those units we put under our subject. So this is the advanced diploma unit. We put under our subject. So the subjects are here. Those subjects are we provide in here. This is the advanced diploma subjects. So So that the year 2's advanced diploma units are here. So this is the electrical engineering competency development. So those are the UE 20 training package unit, and also engineering materials, engineering physics, engineering project, rate analysis and WHS, electrical circuit analysis, engineering mathematics, computer application, sustainability, solar electrical system, power system principle, power system protection, power transmission, electrical machine, energy efficiency, power and industrial electronic and control, industrial process and control, and engineering report writing. So those are units in the advanced subject in the advanced diploma study. So we provide both electrical and electronic together with the computer as well as solar energy, renewable energy. Those units are we provided. So that unit is we divided into the advanced diploma resources. So there will be, this is for the on the advanced diploma resources we link to the advanced diploma course. So this is for the advanced diploma resources HDM. We enter to this side. And for the advanced diploma electrical, this is for the advanced diploma electrical course. So here will be the electrical diploma 2022.htm. So by clicking this side, we can get to the electrical diploma. So those electrical diploma courses are all the mapping between the UE 11 and UE 20 training package unit. The units are we put under our diploma subjects. So study option 1 is this is the study option 1. I provide all my class lesson on lecture notes. So you have to study my lecture notes, and you have to do this exercise as well as the assignment. So this is the way we are doing the study option 1. Study option 1 is all my class lesson, class teaching, writing on the whiteboard. I do this PDF file. So you have to read through my folder and my notes, and then you have to submit the appropriate assignment. So this is for the class study option 1. Study option 2 is I provide you with the textbook. So this is all the unit study material. I provide the textbook. So those textbooks you can download from the link. So here is a link you can download, and then by clicking the link, so you can read the textbook, and you write down the study report. So what you got the knowledge from this textbook, you have to present. And study option 3 is we provide you with the video lesson. Here is video lesson, YouTube video lesson. So YouTube video lesson every unit we provide a YouTube video lesson. So for example, the circuit analysis video lesson here, we provide this video lesson. The mesh analysis. So this is some better video lesson. So that you view the video in the meantime, you download the video lesson notes, and you provide the study report, and then you can complete from one subject to another subject. This is the way we are designing and we are providing the training. So this is for the example video I provide.
This is the determinant formula. A1 I1 plus A2 I2 is M1. B1 I1 plus B2 I2 is M2. So that we can write down this determinant equation.
This is the video lesson, example of the video lesson. What I do in this subject. This course or so you moving through and then you view the video lesson, and then you can get the study. So this is the way we are doing like this. So after this, we all the subjects in the advanced diploma unit. I provide the class lesson note, textbook, video. So you read the lesson note, you read the textbook, you view the video. By this way, you can learn it. So this person going through the learning platform, you can do one by one. So this is the way we are providing that lesson. Okay, then finally we got to the first year one is trade electrician trade. Electrical trade year 2 is advanced diploma, and year 3 and 4 are the professional diploma or the bachelor degree. So those are the subjects. BE4 advanced engineering mathematics, calculus, engineering mechanics, engineering material, thermodynamic, foundation study, renewable energy, sustainability, solar and thermal energy system, energy storage system, and renewable energy resource analysis, wind energy conversion, engineering material, engineering electrical engineering. Those units are you can subjects are you can study at the year 3. So year 3 is those who complete the electronics diploma or electrical diploma or the renewable energy diploma or associate degree in renewable energy, they can we provide the appropriate top mapping appropriate subject so that you can claim your advanced standing points easily. So this is the way we provide. Year 4 is we provide the detailed study, advanced study in the electrical engineering at the professional engineer level. So that they include the computer programming, computer network software engineering, electrical engineering part 2, grid connected photovoltaic power system, electrical machine, electronic control, electrical project practice, advanced power system and the power transmission network, power system, stability and protection, telecommunication engineering, energy system efficiency, and also the professional engineer competency demonstration report. So those are year 3 and year 4 study. So the year 3 and year 4 study, then we can also do this some of the sample lesson. So this is for the year 3. Year 3 is a BAE 4142 like this. So the BAE 41 is a mathematics. So we click this one. I provide you the all lesson material, all the textbook, as well as a video. So this is a sample video.
This mix.
BAE 401 Advanced Engineering Mathematics. This is a Math 301 week 1 lesson. The lesson name is an introduction to the complex variables. So firstly we talk about the notation of the complex number. The complex number can be represented by the equation Z is equal to the H plus IY. So in this case Z equal to R e power I theta. So R e power I theta can be rewritten R cos theta plus I sin theta. So the magnitude of R or the magnitude of Z can be calculated. The square root of A squared plus Y squared. And also the direction theta can also be calculated. Tangent theta is equal to Y divided by A. So in this case I squared with the square root of minus 1. So in the diagram you can see this the diagram. In this case the horizontal AC is a A's and the vertical AC is a Y's. So angle theta, so then you can see the Z. So that we can add the complex number. So for the addition, Z1 is a I1 plus a IY1, and the Z2 is a Z1 is a H1 plus a IY1, Z2 is a H2 plus a IY2. So in this case we can add Z1 plus Z2 equal to H1 plus H2 plus Y1 plus Y2.
Okay, this is just a sample lesson. So every lesson I provide both in the English and Myanmar language. So firstly I speak in the English and then Myanmar. So you also go through all the video. This is the lecture video, and then I provide you with the lesson note, textbook, and you can do the exercise. By this way you are learning. So this is for the year 3. So similarly we can also all the other subjects you can study like this. And year 4 is also the the final year, so that I also give the some sample lesson. So BA02 is a computer network. The computer network study, you can see the thing. So these are the topics. Which topics are you have to study? So every lesson I provide you the topic summary. Which lesson you are learning? Also, those are something we provide. So this is the
two computers connected. When the two computers are connected, there will be a network. So in this diagram, you can see that two computers are connected by the wire. A computer network can also consist of, and it's usually made for more than two computers. This means that more than the two computers or multiple computers can be connected. In this case, you can see the connector junction, and then many computers can be connected. So in this case, in the diagram, you can see that three computers are connected to the junction. So that when the computers are more than the one computer is connected to the system, there will be the computer network. Computer network is computer
this is a standard lesson. Sample lesson of the computer network, so that I explain in the English and then explain the Myanmar language. So the similar programs are lesson you can learn, or the passing through that those are clipping the two depth. You can also learn all the video lesson, also the read the textbook, and also we you can exercise. We provide like this. So this is the ways we are running the studying the lesson. So now that I have told you about the overview of our system. So the year 1 is electrical trade and electronic trade. Year 2 is advanced diploma electrical and electronic engineering. Year 3, 4 are the bachelor degree. Together with those are competency and those are study. Important one is a design project also important. Internships are final design project. So by clicking the internship final design project, we provide a design handbook. So design handbooks are very important. When you are in the site, you become a site engineer or site supervisor, you have to refer the handbook. Handbooks are real practical application. So I provide you all the many electrical handbook useful for the electrical engineering work site. Those we also provide. So this is for the internship and the final design project. In the meantime, those all the learning project we are provided. And also that we also utilize a computer aided engineering. Today's computer programs are very important for the engineer. Every engineering subject in my course, I combine with the computer aided engineering. So that we click the computer aided engineering this link. Say B electrical with CAE. This is the computer aided engineering. So that all the hours are subject units. We provide a computer program. For example, click connected here is a computer subject, computer programming. So by providing the computer programming, I also provide the appropriate computer software, trial version, and software video. And also for example, electronic control, we provide the PLC SCADA system. They are trial version, also video application, handbook, we provide it. Similarly, the power systems are protection stability. We provide the power system stability software. trial version, application, and also the utilization and usage of the video. So every computer program relevant to the our electrical engineering subject we provide. So this is the this link computer aided engineering. So this link we provide the computer program for the electrical subject for your practical application. Similarly, we provide the EDAB rapid program, MME software system, CNC, and the master cam. So those are also we provided. So those are master cam programs. You can click so you can see the master cam, master software. They are appropriate textbook, master cam tutorial, also the utilization video we provide like this. So this is the way we provide this knowledge and a skill for the modern utilization of the computer program. That will be the very useful in the your real practical application. In the meantime, we also provide the library because library is important for the university students. So we provide the e-library catalog book you can click, and also the all library material, all the electrical, electronics, and computer, all the library textbook you can download from this site. So this is for the we provide this library study. So together with this one, so some students are talk about the accreditation by the Engineer Australia, but you have to note that the most of the electrical study courses are only the two systems, trade course and the university course. Trade course means that you complete the year 10 or the year 11. You can start the 4-year apprenticeship, and then you attend the Certificate 3 Electrotechnology Electrician. In the meantime, you undertake the 4-year apprentice. So this is then you can get the trade license. So this is the trade course. And also engineer course is you pass the year 12 with the good marks, and you are allowed to enroll the Bachelor Engineering year 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the engineer course. But switching from the trade course to engineer course, there is a not automatic. Before we got the advanced diploma course, electrical technology or electrical engineering, but today's what happens is that to do the advanced diploma course, you have to pay the very high money. So this is when those buffer state is stepping stone state is eliminated. So look like being eliminated. So only few students can with the trade license can go to the diploma and can proceed to the degree course. So this is why in our system, year 1 is a trade, year 2 is advanced diploma, year 3, 4 is a university study. So that kind of course is very new to the Australia. So this is why we have to provide with our own system. When the students' enrollments are healthy, and we will look at the negotiate with the Engineer of Australia regarding the accreditation. So in this case, regarding the accreditation, important one is every course we follow the Australian qualification framework. So you go to our website iqitechnicalcollege.com, and you can also see the IQI qualification framework. So this is the ways we provide all our courses are mapped with the Australian qualifications framework level 1, 2, 3, 4. By this way, it's really easier for you to get the recognition because we design the course in accordance with the Australian qualification framework. So this is the Australian. I compare with the Australian qualification framework and also our IQI courses. So HUS level 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, we compare with our IQI diploma, advanced diploma, professional diploma, and the bachelor degree courses. This is for the mapping between the Australian qualification framework and our courses. So this way, with the certificate 1, our courses, we are made a comparison. So this is the first thing. Second thing is Engineer Australia got the competency demonstration. It accepts the overseas degree so long as it can demonstrate the competency requirement to become the state 1 professional engineer. So this is where in this case we provide the competency mapping. So this go to this site, iuintegratedcollege.com/student.htm. And then you have to see this site here, engineering competency VS, IUI subject CE, ME courses. CE is civil engineering, ME electrical, EE is electrical, ME is mechanical. So this is the competency mapping. So competency mapping means here we can see this electrical engineer. So ASCO standard. ASCO 2125.11 electrical engineer. So design, develop, supervise, manufacturer, installation, operation, maintenance of the equipment, machine system for the generation, distribution, utilization, and the control of electrical power. So in this case, we are here is a comparison. So the plan and the design, the manufacture, the installation of electrical equipment and the picture facility. So this is for the one of the competency required for the electrical engineer. So here is our subject. Our degree subject. So BA 403 engineering mechanic, advanced electromagnetic field, power system analysis, and also the diploma unit. DC circuit, basic electrical wiring, three-phase power circuit, electrical power system. So, and also here we give our practical. So this means that every our diploma, advanced diploma trade course, we map with the competency requirement of the ASCO. So this is what ASCO mapping. Similarly, we got the state 1 competency standard of the Engineer Australia. When our course are progressing, we will continually provide you the mapping between our course, our study knowledge, and the Engineer Australia's competency requirement. So this is the way we provide. So that when you finish the course, you will also get the such a competency mapping, and then you can present those competency into the Engineer Australia competency demonstration report so that you can be admitted as a member. So at this stage, we are doing by this way. So that we refer the appropriate competency standard to get this our study. So our recognition. So the IUI Technical College and the IB and DU Degree College, we register with the AISC. So that this is for the board registration. IB and Degree College we register with the AISC. Similarly, IUI Technical College, we register with the AISC as well. This means this is legally we register with our colleges, but we haven't issued the Australian degree. Instead, we cooperate with the Singapore Institute of Engineering Technologies to issue the international degree. So this is the Singapore Institute of Engineering Technologies recognition of our diploma, our professional diploma, as well as our degree courses. So this means that we can show the legitimacy of our qualification. We are legally registered with the AISC regarding our colleges, and we got this accreditation by the Singapore Institute of Engineering Technology, so that our legitimacy by portion is that we provide such legitimacy. But regarding the accreditation, as I have explained you that this course is very new in Australia, so which can combine the electrical trade, electrician, and also professional engineer knowledge. That is a very new to the Australian. So that we have to go through the course, we have to collect the appropriate graduate. In the meantime, we provide the appropriate competency mapping regarding our study and the Engineer Australia competency requirement, and then our graduate can utilize those competency mapping to get the recognition or to get the membership admission at the Engineer Australia. This is the way we are running. So in this case, at this stage this is my explanation regarding our courses. So today's explanation, I give you our offer courses and structure of the course, structure of our certificate year 1 certificate, year 2 advanced diploma, year 3 and 4 bachelor degree. So this is also I give you our learning school website. Learning school website, how to get the lesson, how to study, how we assessment, those I provided. Also, I provide the additional knowledge regarding the engineering design and also the computer application, software application, And also, finally, I provide you with the engineering competency. So this is the way my presentation for our news a Bachelor Applied Engineering, which combine the electrical engineer, electrician, and the paraprofessional engineering technical officers. Thank you very much.